How to find nicknames settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find nicknames settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find the settings and then click this profile information and go down. Here you will find the nicknames settings. Just click here if you want to manage it, and you can add another nickname if you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.